Alright, good morning. This is Paul, and today we're going to talk about our Protea examia seedlings. This is a 6-month update, and shout out to Reed Morris. He wanted to know what the status is on these. So the other varieties of seeds that my dad gave me from South Africa, none of the other seedlings or sprouts made it, and these are the only two that made it using the method as we described in our previous video, where basically I use a paper towel method in a plastic bag in a window, and there you have it. These guys are thriving. I leave them in a part sun environment under a big ficus tree, and I use it's just basic like potting soil with a lot of pumice. So they're very happy. They're about the size of my middle finger, I'd say, and the leaves are starting to broaden and get that little the hairs. So this is also known as the broadleaf sugar bush. So this variety of Protea is from South Africa, and it has a pretty flower that people cultivate, and it's been cultivated for over 100 years. So there's the update on these guys. They're really cool. They take time to grow, but if you're patient, it's worth it. So there is the update on our seedlings. So I don't think I'll put them into full sun until next summer, and even then I'll probably put them in 3/4 sun in Southern California, because Protea just seem to do better when they don't get that full, intense Southern California sun we get in the fall. So here's an example of a similar variety. This is the Veldfire Pincushion Protea. So you can see the leaves are a little bit different. They're not as hairy, and the other little seedlings I showed you, they are going to be a bit more purplish in color on the leaves than the green. So there you go. There's our update. There we go. Thanks again, Reed Morris, for asking for the update there. So there you go. All right, give us a like and a subscribe. Have a great day. Take care.